Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. Stay humble but work hard. Without pride, people can truly learn. Hard work is the key to success. Humility gives you the chance to learn from others. Don't be arrogant about your achievements. Hard work helps achieve life goals. Humble people maintain good relationships and collaboration. Hard work and patience move people forward. Humility strengthens your power. So stay humble and keep working hard every day. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.